Next, let's see the amazing things that you can do by combining ArcGIS with the rich set of data science and machine learning libraries in Python. And for that, let me introduce you to my colleague, Mansoor Raad.
Thank you, Rohit. I want to share with you how we can enhance the experience of Jupyter Notebook by adding open Python components like an image library and invoking IBM Watson Deep Learning. Georgia Power perform inspections of their transmission lines from helicopters. And they look for things like insulators that are broken or contaminated or flashed. Now, an inspection flight generates thousands of geotagged images. This is just a small sample here. But when I get the data set like that, the first thing I want to do is I want to draw it on the map. Here, I'm using an image library to extract the spatial location of an image. And using the API, I can now turn it into a feature on a layer, on a map, using the ArcGIS API for Python. I love how easily I can integrate all that in the Jupyter Notebook and how the experience is so easy. But what I'm more excited about is the following. What you're seeing here is just 1 mile out of one flight. And in that 1 mile, there's 400 images. Now, Georgia Power has over 17,000 miles of transmission lines. That means today, they are manually classifying over 100,000 of images. This is a daunting task. There has to be a better way to do this. And that easy way is using deep learning. We've trained IBM Watson to recognize broken insulators in images in such that now, using the Watson API, we can pass pixels of a brand new image, of a geotagged image, to the deep learning visual recognition system. And it will come back with a classification of damaged or not. We can take that information now and turn it into a feature layer. But what's exciting here is we're going to see it all in action. And what we're going to be doing here is dynamically invoking the API. And as Watson recognizes broken insulators, we're going to highlight them in red in here. So let's see the image. Awesome. Great job in here. And if we look at it here again, even in blurred images, which is really very cool. So what we've done here, we've used a combination of Python modules, like the image library, to extract spatial coordinate from images. We automated the feature identification using Watson Deep Learning, and we combine all that with the ArcGIS API to gain us deeper understanding and to enable us to do further analysis, like emerging hotspots or create repair workflow in Maximo. Rohit and I are super excited to share this ArcGIS API Python with you because we cannot wait to see what kind of magic you're going to be doing in your Jupyter notebooks. Thank you.